Good morning, guys. We are going to talk about revision, which is very important, and I will complete this video in detail from 23rd or maybe from 22nd. I think from 23rd I was completely busy in Diwali festival because after 2015 I was celebrating Diwali for the very first time with family because before this, before 2022 Diwali, I was in Chennai and there I was not able to celebrate Diwali of that. uh, you know mm, I hope you get my point. But when I came back to Banaras, in my family and with friends, I celebrated a lot. So 3-4 days I was not taking any classes. I was not attending any calls. Uh, so now that's why 3-4 days there was no upload because I was totally engaged with the festival. And all the students whoever are still busy with kind of Diwali mood or something, just come out and be on the track now, because many students are from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. So here, like, and of course in many other states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, and nearby states, Delhi and all. So we used to celebrate Diwali like anything. So Holi and Diwali used to be amazing. I have seen like in South India we don't have this thing. Like in North India we don't have that much about Pongal and all. But anyway, I I have enjoyed both the things. Let's talk about revision part in detail, guys. This entire November about to start, and December and January. This is game changer month. Whatever you have done in last few months, if you will not do proper revision, then it will be like only thing like you have seen the movie, you have enjoyed the movie, but now you don't remember anything about the movie. What was the name of the actor? What was the dress of that actor? What happened with that actor? You may be knowing, but timing, scenario, like I mean to say, lectures whatever we have covered, lectures whatever you have covered by self study, or portion whatever you have covered by self study. If you're watching this video for the very first time, then you should know that I am taking classes for GATE Aerospace. It's been 8+ years, and I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and I am running a full-fledged, properly designed coaching for GATE Aerospace aspirants, fully dedicated for academics only. There is no other job for me. I only make videos for GATE Aerospace engineers, for aerospace engineers, aeronautical engineers, for their GATE preparation. Okay. So now what you should do now from now onwards, whatever time you have. If you are a working professional, then definitely you'll be having less time. Then in that time you don't try to study something else. Whatever you have done till now, this is the right time to start revision, and you just go for a complete revision. After that, if time remains, then in that time you do some remaining portions. For example, if you have completed propulsion and structure, then you go revise these two first. Complete revision, you give a complete revision. After that, if time is remaining, then in January month you can touch flight mechanics, aerodynamics, like this kind of thing. You can just switch the subjects. If you have done aero and flight mechanics, then first you revise them after that. So now how fast you should do revision, it depends on time available, and it depends on your own natural speed. Many students may sit for 2 to 3 hours continuously in the library. Many students, they may not sit for even 1 hour with focus. So because it is your time, and you have to understand what is better now, like really how much focus you are able to maintain. Because if you are not able to maintain focus, then even though if you are sitting for 6-7 hours, it is of no use. So do this very maturely. Like someone should not be able to judge your input and output. Your efficiency should be very high. So if you can give time for 2 hours revision, you give for 2 hours revision. If you can, suppose you have only 2 hours of study time for working modes people, like if you're working in some companies and you are also preparing for GATE exam, so revision is very very important, because you are not just preparing for GATE exam, you have to qualify the GATE exam. So only knowing the syllabus is not a main thing. And of course you should have time to write test series also. If you have not taken test series yet, immediately contact me and take the test series. I have 400 test series. In that 400 series, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, full length. In this full length I have 30 full length test series, and topic wise, chapter wise, like all these, everything you have to prepare. And you know, if you are preparing with test series itself, I am talking about self-study students. If you have not enrolled in any courses with me, then at least you should enroll for the test series, because I have designed the test series with solution, and for some questions I have given video solution also, so that you can complete at least your 100% syllabus with the help of test series itself. So whatever time you are having, suppose if you are having 4 hours of time, then in this you split your time, some time for revision purpose and some time for test series. Okay, whatever you are revising for that particular thing, you go for test series. So this will be the best revision strategy. Okay, now if student is not revising, or if a student is thinking that okay, in November also let's complete some syllabus, and then in December and January let's revise the syllabus. No, this is not the right strategy. Don't revise syllabus in the last time, because what will happen in the last time, you will be under pressure, and I personally believe that under pressure you can't do anything with more perfection. Maybe if you are having some X factor, then you are not in I mean, then you are very different, then definitely anything is possible for you. But if that X factor is not with you, if you are kind of average going person, then you should revise the syllabus now itself. Okay, start revision from November itself. Now see, now another category of students who are free 24 hours. Okay, those students, try to understand, you try to go for like in last year also, like a 2022 batch, I uploaded a video for 16 hours of study, and there was one student, he completed these kind of studies, sometimes 16 hours, sometimes less than 16 hours, and he is an IIT Kanpur this year in aerodynamics MTech. Okay, and very soon I'll find time and I'll upload those videos also. I've interviewed, actually main thing guys, I am busy with academics. Many interviews are in pending, like my students who have gone into different IITs, but because of lack of time I'm not able to take their interviews. So even they will be thinking that because we got less ranks, so sir is ignoring our interview. But no, I'm really sorry for that. Actually, because of lack of time I'm not able to take interviews and upload on interviews. But very soon I will plan that also within 2 to 3 days. So in 24 hours of study plan, you have to crop as max as possible time for study. Now suppose if you have 24 hours, in that you remove your sleep time 6 to 7 hours, because sleep is very important. If you will not sleep properly, then your memory may be affected. Okay, because sleep is very important. You may feel tired, and after that you may be feeling like kind of nervous, negative, or irritation or something, because if you have a full amount of sleep, you will feel better, and then you can give very good study. So this thing, sleep is very important. Now next thing, whatever time is remaining, in that you eat healthy. You should not eat that it will spoil your one day. Okay, you should not eat anything that it will spoil your 1 week, it will make you sick, something like that. You take care of your health, because this is the last time going on. Everything is very important, your study, your sleep pattern, your health, because anything can spoil your GATE rank, anything. Like I had a student, she joined me in 2020 for 2021 batch, and she got sick in December month, and that's all preparation. She could not write GATE exam, and she could not qualify because she was sick. After complete preparation, she could not. Then again in 2021 she joined, and this year again in the last moment she was sick, and because of this thing she got enough nervous, and then she did not prepare for 2022, and still she is in contact, and still we talk about the same thing. But anyway, this particular thing, we can take care of our health. This is very important. You should not travel more like for these 3 months, because see, I am not saying something negative, but people are uh, like accident and all, you have to avoid all those things. Okay, uh, because as less as possible you should involve yourself into different work. Okay, so that you can give maximum time for revision purpose. So what will you revise first? I will suggest you revise propulsion and structure first. In propulsion, what will you revise? Don't revise thermo, directly start with your jet engine. In jet engine, first revise TS diagram of all the components. If this part is done, then remaining syllabus will be easier for you. In structure, you first revise vibration part, because many people they take vibration less seriously, and they don't complete vibration. If you guys are self-study students, then you just go for 1D revision is sufficient. But if you have enrolled yourself into my coaching or into any other coaching, then you should revise till 2D in detail, because vibration will give you minimum 3 marks questions for sure. And after that, you see the simple mathematics, man. Very simple mathematics. 100 marks question paper is there. Okay, let's talk about general category student. In case of general category student, if you are good in aptitude and reasoning, out of 15 easily you can score 12 marks in worst case. If you can't score 12 marks, then that is second thing. You can't even score 8 marks also. But mostly people used to score good in reasoning and aptitude. So roughly you consider 12 marks you can consider. Now in this 12, you need 18 more to qualify GATE exam. How will you get 18 more? All the subjects are there. Even if you will solve 3 marks correct questions, then out of remaining 6 subjects, you can easily score 18 marks, right? So don't worry, you will easily qualify the GATE exam. For qualifying purpose is not a big deal. Getting better rank in these 3 months, we are trying to focus here. So just focus on propulsion and structure, because they are having more weightage. Okay, so but they take so much time also. That's why I said revise propulsion first and then revise structure first. Okay, in structure everything is important. From anywhere they can ask the question, but the nature of the question from 2021 and 2022 is very different. They are asking mixed question. If you are good in bending, but if you are not good in torsion, you can't attend the question, because question paper was like a mixed question. In the same question, you have some data from torsion, you have some data from bending, like these kind of questions are there. Okay, so my point is, if you have not prepared, then you don't expect that you'll be getting 55 marks in GATE exam. No, it is really very difficult. See what people are thinking. People are thinking that in GATE aerospace, scoring is very easy, getting IIT is very easy, but you don't know the reality. Getting 45 marks is very difficult. In case of GATE mechanical and all, in other GATE syllabus, getting 60, scoring 60 is not a big deal. See, other people don't be offended. I mean to say that actually in case of GATE aerospace, from basics itself, from college time itself, people are suffering. Because of that, it is being tough. Okay, but in case of mechanical or other well structured engineering branches, syllabus is properly defined, lot of books are available, lot of, almost in every college syllabus is going properly. But mostly because in my coaching center, lot of private college students are enrolled. So I know feedback of all the colleges, I know their personal level feedback. So that's why I'm saying scoring 45 is actually a big deal in aerospace department. Calculation wise, it looks very easy. But when you will be attending first question and unfortunately wrong attempt, second question wrong attempt, third question wrong attempt, and I have seen this kind of situation with average going students. But no doubt, average going students will definitely qualify GATE exam. So revision part is very important. So just go for revision. Propulsion revise first and structure revise first. Now see, from November onwards, you start solving all previous year. This guidance is for self-study students. This video I am making for self-study students, because already I am guiding my students in my classes. Okay, and if you are from any other coaching center, so your teacher will be guiding you. I am not sure how good they are, how many times they have qualified GATE exam and all, but I am not saying anything negative about your coaching center. I am just trying to say that this video may help you if you are watching, if you are following me from long time, but especially for self-study students. So guys, in this November, you should start solving aptitude. Okay, aptitude reasoning questions, and every day you solve roughly 10 questions. Fine, okay, no problem. And you target mixed question. You don't target chapter wise. I hope you have completed this portion. That's why I am advising you like this. You should practice mixed questions. you should not practice. So if you can afford money, you purchase test series, then you will enjoy a lot. Your preparation will be much smoother. Okay, so contact me for the test series also. My WhatsApp number is 6380135260. Don't call me directly, text me on WhatsApp. And after that, engineering mathematics. This is very important thing, and fortunately engineering mathematics is easier for us. I mean, as compared to other departments, for GATE Aerospace, engineering mathematics is easy. But see guys, here I am saying easy, but other subjects are compensating this in toughness level. Okay, so we have to see our overall question paper, right? As I said, in overall question paper, 45 marks is a big deal. Really, it is a big deal. Anyway, you talk to those students who are getting 7 marks, who are getting 8 marks. In my first attempt, I had only 10 marks, right? So situations are there. We have to understand that if we will not revise properly, we are going to lose. Maybe I had one very good student last year in 2022. He attempted 2022 GATE, and he could not qualify GATE exam just by 1 mark. He was in general category. I think he got 27 or 28. Actually, last year I have forgot what was the cutoff. Just by 1 mark, he could not qualify the GATE exam. Just by 1 mark. And he was he joined me in second year, and he attempted the first time in third year, right? And if you are third year student, if you are like a very immature student, first time you are going to have GATE exam, then guys, you should solve all the previous year question papers also. All the previous year question papers. Start with 2022 structure. Start with 2022 structure. I have uploaded 2022 complete solution for the structure. Just go to my playlist, you will have there. Okay, complete playlist you solve. Roughly, I think 8 to 10 questions I have solved. All the important questions I have solved. If you will watch that solution itself, you will be having very good revision. Very good revision. So because of lack of time, I don't upload solution, because my students are solving question paper, and I am talking to them in live class itself about the solution part. I used to discuss solution in live class itself. That's why I don't find time to upload on YouTube, but I'm uploading solutions slowly, very slowly. Okay, because in my class I don't teach solutions like in many coaching centers. What is their way of teaching? Because I know about all coaching centers, I know about their notes, everything. What they do, they take the classes. Many coaching centers, I'm saying, they teach the topic, and just after that they drop previous year question paper, and students are thinking, okay, that's all, preparation done. No guys, no. Previous year question paper you have to solve by yourself, and if you have doubt, then you discuss with me. This pattern I used to follow in my classroom. I don't solve previous year question paper in class. I create that much capability in my students so that they will solve previous year question paper by themselves. So what is my strategy? Teach them in proper way, give them all the concepts in detail, examples and other numericals and questions, assignments and test series, and then they should be capable of solving previous year question paper. And if not, if they are being stuck, I am available for them. That's why because of lack of time, I have not uploaded yet. But rocket propulsion, all the solutions I have uploaded, and but I'm planning very soon. I will find some time at least, so that, because my YouTube channel is lagging only in the previous year question paper solution. Otherwise everything is done. So joined crash course at least if you have not done yet. Crash course going on, and very less price. I'm giving you everything. Complete videos I am giving, live class I am giving. You can come to live class, discussion session I am giving, everything. Like, you just go through. There is a course I have given, 5K course. You just watch that video or ask me on WhatsApp. I'll give you the link. Okay. So revision is very important. Focus on the revision part. Minimum how many hours you should revise? Actually, suppose I am saying that you are not working in any company. Suppose you are not in any college, you are not enrolled in any kind of internship program, then minimum how many hours of revision every day you need? Guys, 4 to 5 hours of revision every day is important, because in propulsion, if you revise one chapter, how will you revise the chapter? See, concept, formulas, and after that some numericals. 2 to 3 hours this guy will consume. Okay, so in aircraft propulsion itself, you are going to pay around 15 to 20 days. With same pace, if you will go, roughly again 15 to 20 days you will spend in structure. Roughly you can say 40 days you are going to spend for this revision. And when you are revising, at the same time you can't skip other subjects, otherwise it will be like one-sided love. Okay, because now this is not July month, guys, this is November month, about to start in 2-3 days. You can see at the top left corner 6:38 a.m. and 27th October, just after 3 days November will be starting. So now you cannot revise in biased way, like okay, revise this, and then no, you have to revise in all the directions. So that's why I have given you 4 subjects to do: propulsion, structure, aptitude and mathematics. Okay, once these people are being over, then immediately you start with other people like aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space dynamics and rocket. I hope it's going well, right? That's all. Okay, see you in next video.